video we're going to assemble the 36-inch tag along. We want to start by removing it from the box. This is your baffle. Just set that aside. And just grab the side of the machine, slide it out gently. This comes 99% assembled. What you want to do is locate your baffle that you took out. Slide these bars all the way out to the end. You stick these down onto the pegs. Slide it down onto the pegs on either side. You may want to bend this out just a little bit so it rests on top of the baskets. And that is how you assemble your tag along. To remove the baskets, simply flip the baffle backwards and roll them out. You want to make sure the bent section of the basket goes back under the finger bar, which is located right here. So that actually rests underneath there. It helps hold them in place. And then make sure you set your baffle back down, and that also helps pull them in place. The front here is your instructions. It's various spare parts, but it also has the hitches inside of this bag. Locate your hitch from the bag. It'll be wrapped in a second plastic bag. It's got some packing grease on it to keep it from rusting. Alright, now that we've got the hitch assembly, it's got a threaded 6-inch rod on it. You can adjust these nuts. It'll go through the back of your lawnmower or whatever you're pulling it with. Just find a hole that you can bolt this onto using these washers, and then you want to adjust the height. You want to adjust the height where this part of the hitch is 8 to 10 inches off the ground, and it can vary a little more than that. But your machine sits here, and the front of your tag along drops into the ring, which becomes your hitch at that point. And that's how you want to mount it, about this height off the back of your machine.